Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are in the middle of a cyclone. As you can see here in a cyclone, winds go really high, they move things a lot, like these trees in front of us. Our plants are dying as well, I feel bad. And around the neighborhood, power went out, the trees fell, and in the park a lot of things fell, like sticks, twigs, trees, a lot of things fell. And as you can see in front of us, heavy rain is right now happening, like literally right there. I don't know how this happened, guys. So we went to our aunt's house, then we went to the park just like to go to the playing ground and walk, and then all of a sudden it just started pouring on us, so we ran back to my aunt's house. Then we couldn't go back home, so we decided to just have fun in the rain while we go back home. And yeah, and we went to we were going back home. We stopped by the laundromat because it was raining so hard over there, like I couldn't even feel my head. We came to my house and we enjoyed our time with his nan, which is my older cousin. And like he's playing in the rain with us, like water fight, like splashing with us, and we're just enjoying our time.
I came to my aunt's house and it started thundering, so we were just gonna have fun in the rain. Oh, no. I'm gonna take off mine. No. It's fine.
नहीं दूर नहीं जाना.
And I came to give my mom my glasses because they were getting wet, and we are going to eat. So Allah badalde saath samosa kode de. So this is the mix of the pakory, and right next to it my mom is making different types of chutneys, which will be after. So guys, the pakoras are done and they look delicious.
My mouth is watering.
Okay, over here are 3 different types of sauces. There's one chili spicy one, this one is the yogurt one, and then this is the garlic sauce. And over there are the beautiful pakoras, and I will see how they taste. And the taste, it's spicy and also at the same time it's crunchy and almost a little bit sweet. Guys, have a bite. Open your mouth and chomp it.
मजे के? Spicy है या?
Spicy. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Please click that subscribe button, those notification bells, leave a comment down below, and enjoy the rest of your day.